Hey guys, I'm here in sunny Arizona with my boy Jacob Blank, 18-year-old wholesaler entrepreneur here, man. He's doing a lot of deals. You can see the super nice office. You can see the super nice car. You can't lie about that. We're about to go see his operation.
Let's do it, bro. Here in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's check it out.
Let's check it out, bro.
The empire is built right here. I get a look out all day long. Look at the 10 million, the goal.
That's the goal for what, the year?
Yep.
10 million bucks wholesaling real estate.
I'm just trying to figure out how to get to that number. I'm obsessed with that number.
That's good. That's good. That's a starting point. That's a burning desire in your head.
This is Sean, one of my acquisition guys.
How's it going,
man? JR.
Nice to meet you, Sean.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. Cranking deals?
Oh yeah, you know.
This is Sean, one of my acquisition guys. On the weekends we do open hours, so they can come in for a couple hours, whatever they want to do, and then try to crank out some deals.
Yeah.
The key about weekends is they get access to all the new leads, right? You know, normally they're split up. Everyone gets their own leads Monday through Friday. But if you're one of the guys that, you know, takes the extra effort to come in on the weekend, open range.
Oh, I like
that. You gotta go for
it's
it.
Fun.
That's good incentive right there.
Yeah, it is.
I like that.
So, got a little foosball table, kitchen area, keeping it fun. This is Spencer.
How's it going?
You sold one of his deals?
Oh, I sold one of your deals?
We're making $35K on it.
Nice to meet
Oh,
you.
nice.
35K.
Okay.
And it closes next week, I believe. So
Let's
you helped
do
us
it.
sell it.
Yeah.
Nice. And we're going to get more of those, right?
Yeah.
He's,
All right.
he's trying.
Yeah.
You like coming out on Saturdays?
Yeah, baby. Get all the scoop deals. Scoop up all the leads.
Scooping up all the leads.
You see, so if mostly everybody's office I go to, we actually do deals together.
Yep.
That's the funny thing. So that just goes to show that we really do this.
Collaboration over competition, always.
Yes, sir.
Got to. So that's pretty much it. This is the office. This is where all the money's made. Thank you for coming and looking at it. Let's sit down and let's talk. Let's talk some business. Let's give you guys some value, teach you how to crank out some more deals. Let's do it.
Hey guys, we're here in Phoenix, Arizona with my buddy Jacob Blank, 18 years old.
Yep.
Over here trying to get to $10 million a year wholesaling real estate.
100%.
That's
Gotta
crazy.
be going for it.
How long have you been wholesaling real estate?
I got into real estate when I was 16 years old, but I've been around the business since I was like 11, 12. And then I did my first deal at 16 years old, and in a matter of 2 years, been able to scale to 7 figures and been able to learn a lot about myself and the business, grow as a person, grow as a businessman. It's just been an amazing journey.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So you've been around the business since you were 12?
Yeah.
Wow.
Been around fix and flip since I was 12, and then finally did my first deal where I had money and skin in the game when I was 16. And now the rest is history. Been able to scale from there, you know?
That's crazy, man. So we're actually at an event here in Phoenix, the All In Boys.
Yep.
We're actually both part of their program.
Yep.
They taught both of us how to scale a company.
Mm-hmm.
So shout out to Carlos and Sal, Alex, all y'all, man. Shout out because they helped both of us.
Yeah, they gave us the blueprint, and we just worked our ass off to make it happen.
Exactly. So, I mean, what would you say? So, as far as wholesaling real estate, I think anybody can do it.
100%. I was on the phone with sellers, 16 years old, sounding like a little girl. With, like, you know what I mean? They'd be like, "Okay, ma'am." You know what I mean? Because my voice.
Yeah.
And I was still able to close deals. So, like, if you're sitting there not taking action, there's nothing holding you back. I was closing deals at 16 years old, 17 years old, making it happen. And it's because I was working hard every day. If you're not getting deals, it's because you're not talking to homeowners every day. You're not looking at property every day. You got to be comping property, got to be talking to homeowners, and then something's going to hit. Something's going to hit. You're going to get a 10K, 20K, 30K check. Whatever it is, that check is going to change your life. I don't even care if that check's $100. The proof of concept hits right when you get that first check, and you know you can rinse and repeat and get bigger deals and do more deals. So, you know, that's what you got to do. There's no excuses.
100%. I love the humility.
Yeah,
you know,
100%.
Because I remember when I first started in business and I was doing like landscaping remodeling, and I was super young, and I was trying to sell people deals to do their roofs and their like
Yeah.
you know construction. They're like, bro, you're a little kid, like you know what I mean. And there was no excuse. I would get the work and I would level up. What's been your biggest month so far?
Our biggest month so far was February. We hit 210,000, just under 210,000 in a month. So, you know,
At 18 years old.
At first it was, you know, I need to hit 100K, need to hit 100K. And then we started hitting 100K every single month. And then it's like, damn, 1 month's going to pop off and we're going to hit 200. This year I know I'm going to hit a $300,000-$400,000 month. And, you know, that'll feel amazing because I put in the work. I've had my head down grinding for 2 years, you know, making this happen, and now it's starting to pay off. Things are starting to get consistent. So
man, well, first of all, I gotta like give you applause for that, bro, because you're, you know, like damn, man, he's 18 years old, dude. Like when I was 18 years old, man, I couldn't tell you what I was doing. I was partying. Yeah. I was doing all the wrong things. I was chasing girls. I definitely wasn't trying to make $10 million. I can tell you that. So, man, I applaud you for that. That's awesome.
I mean, I've done stupid shit, you know, chased the wrong things, been, you know, partying, whatever. But then at one point, I was just like, you know what? It's time to be great. And so I started chasing after the dream of being great. And, you know, I knew I owe it to myself to make my dreams come true. So I started working after it. I didn't want to go to college. I didn't like school at all. And I didn't want to, you know, sit around and be a bum and do nothing. So it was either college or I figure my shit out right now and make something happen. So that way I can be happy and do what I want in life.
I like it, man. Like, you found it early.
Yeah.
That's a blessing. So I can't wait to see what you're going to do in 10 years, man.
For sure.
You know, you got a super head start. So wholesaling real estate, what do you think, what's your favorite part about it? Like, and I'm not talking about like the money. Like, okay, so break down what is for an 18-year-old person that's never you know, heard about wholesaling real estate. Can you give us like a basic breakdown of what it is where anybody can understand?
Yeah, wholesaling real estate, it's a super easy concept to understand, but a lot of people don't see the hard work that goes behind it. It's a super easy concept, but you got to put in the work. So basically all we do is reach out to homeowners and we find a homeowner that's distressed that is willing to take a discounted price for their property. Get it under contract, then we go and we get pictures of the property and we send it out to cash buyers. We find someone that will pay a little bit more for that contract and we literally just sell the piece of paper to them for an assignment fee, $20,000, $30,000, whatever it is. That is literally all wholesaling is. Super easy. And my favorite part about wholesaling real estate, it's the deal. It's the chase. We're addicted to the deal.
Oh, yeah.
We're addicted to chasing after the deal. It's the sales in order to get the deal, the acquisitions in order to acquire it. It's a science behind it. And that's what I like the most about it. It's a game. I agree.
And it's easy like to scale.
Yeah, and once you realize that the acquisition of the deal is a game and you start playing it like chess instead of just, you know, going at it whichever way, you start pulling the right strings with the sellers. You start, you know, hearing what they're saying and you know you're bringing them across the line to the close. You know where you are. And it becomes a game and then it's like so fun. It's like chess.
No, really, it is.
Yeah.
Man, that was actually a very good description of it. I think anybody can understand after that.
Yeah.
And then, man, the power of social media.
100%.
We're here right now because social media.
Yep. This is my studio where I do all my social media to teach other people how to get in the business and to connect with other people and to connect with people like you.
Yeah. So we met on social media. We're here now. But you can monetize this stuff. Yep. That's the thing. Yep. So we met and now we're doing deals together. Yep. As you can see in the vlog part of the video, we're doing a $35,000 assignment fee right now. Yeah. So that just like that, dude, that's super powerful.
And we're not saying monetize by selling fans, selling viewer stuff. We're talking monetizing by doing deals with people that are really in the business. Not selling a course, not selling this. We're doing deals. We're helping people do deals.
And just off of collaboration, just off the power of your network. Yep. So you found the deal. It was tough for you to move it because you're in my market. Right. But you're in my market, so I know all the buyers. Right. And boom, we connect and we're making $35,000.
Right. And I'm always telling new wholesalers, they're like, how do I sell the deal? Should I build a buyer's list before I even go after acquiring the deal? I'm like, no, just find the best guy in your market, boom, and send him your deals. Tell them I'll give you $5,000, just sell it.
Yeah.
And you'll take a cut, whatever it is. You know?
Whatever.
I'm just happy
fair.
to make a few $1,000s.
Exactly.
Make you money. So.
Exactly. And sometimes it works like, it just depends. Like sometimes if you send me a deal and you're like, hey, I want, this price and you're going to make 30,000.
Yeah.
I don't care. No. You make what you want. And what if I can make 20 on top of that?
Cool.
Just because I have the niche buyer.
Right. And
that's how we both make money.
It's all about the buyer.
Exactly.
All about the buyer. One buyer will pay way more than the other, but who has the buyer? This dude. And so
exactly.
if he can get you a little bit more than your price and him make a bag too, why not? It's a win-win. So that's why we're putting ourselves out there constantly on social media. Even if you're not doing a lot of deals, you're not doing much, keep posting everything. I don't want to be the Gary V guy, but put it out there. Have everyone know that you're doing deals, so that way they reach out to you, you collaborate, and you will make money from it.
Let's talk about YouTube.
Okay, so YouTube, it's a whole nother ball game. It's super hard to grow at. Currently, I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers, so if you guys want to go subscribe to me, it's Jacob Blank. YouTube's hard. That's why we're collaborating. It helps you grow. Number one, you got to collaborate on YouTube, but it's a whole different ball game. There is no secret sauce to YouTube. I was just telling you this. There's no secret sauce. You got to do everything right and then just hope that a video hits. If you keep doing everything right day after day, week after week, eventually your channel will start to gain traction. You got to start gaining traction. So by doing everything right, you got to do your titles right. You need to make sure you're doing your tags right and then putting your tags in the description as well. So that way your videos rank. And then your click-through rate on your thumbnails. You got to be grabbing people's attention with your thumbnails so they click on your video. And that's all the best you can do. And do everything you can right. Collaborate with good people and grow your following and build a community with everyone's following. And then your YouTube will start to gain traction.
Yep. And have a good niche.
Yeah.
Don't make it purposeless.
Yeah.
Add value. Show somebody how to do something.
Yeah, and you can't go on 10 different niches because then no one's going to find you. You got to start somewhere. Build a following on one niche, wholesaling real estate, and then you can obviously expand outwards on different things you do in your life.
That's exactly what I do because you got to add value.
Yeah.
No one's going to watch your channel if you're just showing your day-to-day life doing nothing.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess some people could.
Yeah.
If you're famous.
Yeah, if you're famous.
But, I started with, 0 following, trying to make a following.
You got to be providing
You got to be providing something. So we're showing people how to get rich off of, or make a lot of money from a craft that we've learned, that we've paid a lot of money in mentorships for, etc.
And we're passing our knowledge down to them.
For free.
Yep.
So,
and who doesn't want to watch that?
Exactly.
So guys, if you're doing deals, start posting YouTube videos and break down your deals. Tell people how you're doing the deal, how you got it, what list it was from. Someone wants to watch. And someone wants to learn how. And
then, you're going to be able to, attract your tribe. 100%. People are going to relate to you. Everybody's different. My audience can be different than your audience, right? So just be you. And you're going to attract the right people.
And with the collaborating thing too, everyone's business is so different. My business is so different from yours. Everyone's doing different things. Right. You get out on social media, more people want to connect with you, and you start learning about great things that they're doing that you could possibly implement into your business. Yeah. And so it's just huge. If you're not on social media, you're missing out.
What about Instagram? You got any tips for Instagram?
Instagram's good. Instagram's hard to grow. YouTube's hard to grow too, but YouTube has SEO behind it. You can rank for things and grow organically. With Instagram, it's super hard. Instagram Reels are a great way to grow right now, but it's getting a little bit more challenging as more people are using the Reels and they're not as new. So Instagram's not promoting them as much. The Reels are good. TikTok's huge. TikTok's getting a little bit harder, obviously, because it's been out a while. It's a little bit harder to go viral, but I mean, TikTok, if you can blow up on TikTok, that'll fuel every platform.
Are you doing TikTok?
Yeah.
You are doing TikTok? I'm not doing TikTok right now.
TikTok's good, but right now I'm struggling with TikTok. It's hard for me to get a video to blow up. But back when I first started, I went from 0 to 70,000 followers in 3 months on TikTok. So that was huge.
To me, it's just a lot of time creating the videos, but I should probably get on it.
It is. TikTok's a lot. And I was doing 4 to 6 videos a day.
Damn. See, that's like a job.
Yeah. Guys, this social media stuff is not easy.
Exactly. No, that's something I want to tell people about. Social media, man, it's not easy. You're gonna invest. It's gonna take. I mean, when you're first starting, you can do it off your phone.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It starts with this. Yo guys, I'm outside at my deal. Look at this. I just took down this property. I'm fixing flipping it. Let people know what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
It starts with that, and then you'll build on it. So you just gotta start though.
All right, so guys, look, if you got some value from this, go to my man's YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment. He has a lot of videos just like this, in depth of teaching wholesaling real estate. Go to his Instagram, go to his TikTok.
Yep.
Where can they reach out to?
You can find me, just search up Jacob Blank on any social media platform and you'll be able to find me. And I'm going to post this too on my channel, so go find him, J.R. Hernandez.
Yep, so guys, if you got value from this, like, share, comment on the video, share it with your friends so we can reach more people, and you know, we can continue to provide value and keep putting more videos like this out. So that being said, my man's got to go back to the event and speak on stage.
Yeah.
So man, I appreciate you having me by, man.
Thank you, bro.
All right.
Thank you.
That being said, guys, stay clutch.